We all, at certain times in our life, find ourselves broken. True strength is found in picking up the pieces. Good morning. Hope you wake up feeling like a blank canvas and paint yourself beautiful today. Have a beautiful and blessed morning. May you paint this world with your colors so bright and cheerful. May all you do be so beautiful. Good morning and have a wonderful day ahead. When you focus on your problems, you will find them. When you focus on solutions, you will find them. Have a problem-free day. Good morning. This is a beautiful day. I am thankful to be alive and healthy, to enjoy it. Blessing all around you. Good morning. Morning greeting does not only mean saying good morning. It has a silent message saying, I remember you when I wake up. Have a nice day. We never pay attention to a part of a body unless it pains. Don't let it happen in relationship. Good morning. There is no royal road to success, however, after success every road becomes royal. Best wishes for those who believe in struggle. Good morning. The moon's gone to sleep. The sun is out shining. Get out of your cozy bed and fulfill your dreams. Good morning. Faith in our power and confidence in our ability are essential to success. Have a successful day. Good morning.